Today in Marine Engineering 101, we will complete the overhaul job of our main starting air valve together with keypoints to check from our chief engineer Semenov. Put out your notes and take the most helpful information that you can get. Work smart, know better. Before we assemble the main start air valve, we will lap the seat of the spindle with the valve housing. This is a key point in pre-assembly because failure to properly create a lapped surface will lead to air leakage during operations.
You see, you still can see this trace. Okay, initially, last time before we assembled this valve 2 years ago, it was completely mirrored here and completely mirrored here. Okay, now I don't want to destroy more, so now you will see how much time required for lapping. If you do more than few minutes more, for example, you will do continuously 5 minutes, what will happen? It will be scratched
Too much.
complete very deep. And I did not realize that this is different material. Opa.
Contrary to common practice, lapping stainless steel and cast iron metal surface requires less amount of friction and force during lapping. The goal is to create a thin lapping line without creating too much scratches because of prolonged friction.
It will make, scratch metal to metal like welded. It make deep scratch.
Understood, yeah.
You understood what I mean? Maybe you saw before many times. That's why never try to lap these two metals.
Okay. Stainless
Just make it shining like mirror, and then just imitate what I did.
Yeah,
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 6, 6, and lift.
That's it, yeah.
It's enough.
Matasil lang ba? Lapping lang ba? Seal surface lang ba?
As previously discussed, it is advised to properly clean all parts prior assembly, especially the moving components of the machinery. On applying lubricants and anti-seize coatings, always read instructions for proper usage. Some anti-seizure compounds are especially made for high-temperature applications and are limited for such conditions only.
This is not my sweet dream.
Yeah.
This is recommendation through service letters.
Only use this, not molecule.
Only which molybdenum? Only molybdenum sulfate.
Molybdenum.
And how much it should be? Just have a look. Maximum. Only here. Some people, not any shit, any soup, any whatever it's stuck and make and make 12 openings.
So only on that side.
Only, correct.
Piston and
So now put and then that's it. You.
Did you know? Packing or gaskets for flanges tend to become brittle after being exposed to high-temperature surfaces.
But better
A
than
shipboard hack suggests that you soak the gasket in oil with as much oil being absorbed in order to increase service hours of the gasket. Lastly, assemble nuts according to torque recommendations from the maker's manual.
Like new.
Like new, yeah.
We would like to thank Chief Engineer Semenov for this special feature. If you learned something, don't forget to subscribe, and click the notification bell. This is Marine Engineering 101. Work smart, know better.